Hi, today is the 12th of March 2017 and let us have a look at Nifty once again. If you remember, in the last video posted on our channel, I had projected Nifty to go on a sideways to down movement for almost 3 to 4 weeks. This did happen for the next 2 weeks, and now we are looking at it again after this event of the election. So where do we stand in the Nifty wave count? You see that Nifty was supposedly in a wave 3 up situation, and this wave 3 is usually the fastest and the strongest wave of them all. And going with that, you will see that in the rise from the beginning of January, Nifty never really corrected much during this rise. So the market has been extremely strong, which again points to a possible wave 3 in effect. Now we are looking at an event now, and we are also looking at a gap up opening on Tuesday. So what do we infer from that? And to recap again, we were thinking that this whole rise is wave 1 of 3, and this fall or sideways movement would be 2 of 3. Now ideally the 2 of 3 should have been longer in time, but sometimes these waves are truncated because of the underlying bullishness, which can be extremely strong. With all market indicators, including momentum indicators, definitely tell us that the underlying bullishness is really good. So if the market really gaps up, then we are possibly looking at a wave 3 of 3 gap. A wave 3 of 3 gap is usually an acceleration gap, and this is followed by further bullish price action. This gap is usually not filled immediately or for a very long time. Now the next question is, if there is really a gap, what are the likely targets for Nifty in the short to medium term? Now this is a weekly chart, and as you can see, we are looking at wave 1 of 3, then 2 of 3, and now we are looking at wave 3 of 3, which is going up. If there's a gap here, as it is likely to happen, then the first target would be 100% projection of wave 1 at 10,040. But a wave 3 of 3 is likely to happen to take the prices to 11,325, which would be an ideal target for wave 3. So those are the targets to keep in mind while taking your positions and taking your trades. Now remember, this is for educational purposes only. Please use your own risk control and advise when taking any trades. And I hope that helps. Wishing you all a happy Holi, and thank you. Bye bye.